Hi there, students. To up sticks. It's a verb, to up sticks. He upped sticks. He is upping sticks. Okay, this means to pack up your stuff and leave. Normally permanently, but I think it could also just mean he was angry and he upped sticks and left. This phrase, to up sticks, very, very commonly goes with and leave at the end. When he got into financial trouble and owed money to everyone, he just upped sticks. Yeah, he upped sticks and left. He disappeared. They upped sticks and left for Paris. To pack up your belongings and just move to a different place. Let's see, to do a runner, you're doing it secretly, to do a runner. But to up sticks, to go and live elsewhere. I've decided to up sticks and go and live in Hollywood and become a film star. I think that would be just perfect. I'd starve to death, wouldn't I? Okay, so to take all the things that you own and go and live in a different place. I seem to up sticks every couple of years and have to move to another place. But you get used to upping sticks. I think if you've got lots of things, it's really difficult to up sticks. But if you don't have much stuff, then upping sticks is really quite easy. So to relocate from your current residence. Notice this phrase, to up sticks, this is British. This is a British phrase. The Americans, I don't think you use this one. And it's quite informal as well. Let's see, the more I think about how dirty and polluted this city is, the more I think that we should up sticks and go and live in the country. Things weren't working out well for me in London because it was just so expensive. So I upped sticks and went somewhere else that wasn't as expensive. To leave home and go and move to another. To go and move somewhere else. But this is where you're living in one place and then you up sticks and go and live in another place. You get all your stuff, you pack up and you go and live somewhere else. To pull up stakes, I think is also very similar. Yeah, he pulled up stakes and left. To prepare to move, normally somewhere temporary. So I think the difference between pull up sticks and pull up stakes, if you pull up sticks, this is somewhere where you've been living permanently, whereas if you pull up stakes, you leave somewhere where you've been living temporarily. So for example, a circus pulled up stakes and moved to the next town. And when they were finished there, they pulled up stakes and moved to the next town. Whereas pull up sticks is to leave somewhere permanent. So I think that's maybe the difference. To up sticks. Yeah, he up sticks and left. Okay, formality, to up sticks. I would say this is fairly informal. I'm going to give it a 3.5.